Have you ever wondered what a lifetime of collecting craft supplies looks like? We're opening bin number 26. My name is Stephanie and I own a secondhand art and craft supply store called Bottom of the Bin. We're in Tampa Bay, Florida, and we recently bought an 80-year-old crafter's entire collection. These are things that date back 20, 30, 40 years back, even longer for some. And this is just the most massive and meticulously organized collection that I've ever seen. This bin so far, we've got some really fun paper punches, always a great find in my opinion. I feel like just like dies and stamps, you could never have enough paper punches. There's some really cute ones in here. I'm definitely hoping, oh, that's a little bow. I'm hoping to find more sentiments for paper punches because I do have a lot of like fun borders and designs, but I don't have enough words. I have like a really nice happy birthday one. There's a birthday balloon, but I would definitely like some more that have words as well. There's a bunch of different little snowflakes and flowers in the rest of this basket. Very cute. Cute little, oh, this one's stuck. All right, this one is labeled pine cone small, and as you guessed, it is full of small pine cones. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at those. They're so itty bitty. Itty bitty. Ooh, hold on. Oh my gosh, there's stamps in here too. This seems, oh, these are, oh, hold on. Let me not get ahead of myself. This seemed like a good bin from the outside. It looked like it was a nice mix of things. These are all stamps here, so I'm excited to see those. But this box just grabbed my attention. It's got a fork and a spoon on top, but the label says large acrylic gems. I love my shinies, so let's take a look and see what is in here. Okay, I grabbed a little clear box we can throw into here. But yeah, these, oh my gosh, look how pretty these are. So it's just a bunch of different, oh, one went flying, different little flat back resin pieces, or not resin, I don't know why I call them resin, acrylic gems. Really pretty. There's a bunch of different colors in here. Ooh, these ones are like kind of frosted. I like those. We've got some pink hearts, orange, blue and green, blue and purple, some more little frosted pink ones. There are silver hearts, small circles, large circles, even larger circles, rainbow gems, actual gems. Whoop. Well, not real gems, but you know, these ones are shaped like gems. Purples, clear. Ooh, that one's really pretty. They're kind of hard to see because of the packaging, but super cute. And look at those, they're little pink hearts. These are pretty pastels as well. And some diamond shaped ones. What a cute little bin. Oh my gosh, what a cute little box. I love it. Okay, let's see what's in. Oh my gosh, this box is heavy. Buttons, tags, stickers, glitter, and borders. Is this a mix of things? Whoa. Okay, we recently got a ton of vintage buttons in our store. And I went through and picked out some of my favorites. Oh, look, there's like a little anchor. And the rest, we're doing like fill-a-bag buttons, which is kind of cool. We do that with some of our beads as well. So you can basically just dig through the beads and the buttons and fill a little bag for $2. So this will go in there for sure. And if you are local, you can shop with us in Tampa Bay, Florida. We're located kind of closer to St. Petersburg. Oh, there's Bob. Bob hanging out with the buttons. Oh, his eyes almost look like two little buttons, don't they? What a cutie. And you can shop with us here locally. But if you're not local, we also have an eBay store. And so what happens is most of this stuff, well, all of this stuff goes into what we call the bin of the day, which is a separate table we have set aside in our shop. So whenever the video gets posted, the following 2 days, the stuff will be available there. So you don't have to dig through the whole store to find it. And then after that, it gets kind of filtered into the store or onto eBay or back in storage if we just have too much of it. So you can definitely shop with us on eBay as well. The link to our eBay and more information about our shop can all be found at bottomofthebin.com. Should be linked in all of our profiles. Oh my gosh, these buttons are little kitties. Let me see if we can get some of these out. Those are just precious. Oh my gosh, I love them. So I don't know if these are all vintage. It looks like some of them are, like this bag. Those definitely look vintage, but there are some modern ones as well. So definitely a really nice mix of colors and styles. Ooh, this one's just like all, hold on, all silver. like silver knots, kind of. Not knots, I don't know, rope. Oh my gosh, and look at these. These look like they were handmade. There is one, oh, okay, so they're hearts. This one's just red hearts. And I'm not sure why these are with the buttons. They do have like a little hole so you can make them like a pendant. And then there's some green hearts in there as well. They remind me of like those little flat back pieces that we found in one of the previous bins, not too long ago, a couple bins ago. Still not quite sure exactly what they're for, but they definitely look handmade. Oh my gosh, that one's a little cupcake and a butterfly. Oh my gosh, wait, these are cute. 3 cupcakes. Those have to be some of the cutest buttons I've ever seen. All right, there is a bunch more in there. Okay, it looks like these 2 are stamps, but let's see what's in the middle. Uninked duplicate inks. Wait. First of all, that box is really cute, but are these like, oh, they're ink pads. Tim Bolt's custom blend. Create it yourself. Not sure. Oh, and Memento. So I did know about the Memento ink brand, but I didn't realize it was the same brand as those markers that we found in the previous bin. So a lot of people were telling me that they're made to match. So like whatever color the Memento ink has, they have matching markers. So that was a really cool find. This is another distress ink in broken china. And there's a gold one here. I was going to say silver. That's not right. Some others as well. I'm not too familiar with these. Stamp Affair. Seashells. Cool Perry. Okay, the Stays On. I'm familiar with that brand. That one is a cotton white. And an embossing pad, tinted stamp pad. Not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna have to keep some of these for my collection, especially these, because I'm trying to get more colors. And these I don't have. Now the fun part, the stamps. There's a ton of them, so I'm going to pull them out of here to try to make it a little bit easier to see. These are literally a bunch of phrases stamped on here. I wonder if it's like something that you use to pick out the ones that you want to buy, or if she just made them with all of her stamps that she had. Either way, that's pretty neat. I never thought about doing something like that. Okay, I don't know which one to start with. Let's start with this one. And of course it's backwards. I think they're both backwards. Let me turn them this way so you can see them better. All right, we are starting off with some pretty flowers. And this has some bells, some Christmas stamps. Next, it says sentiments. So we have Christmas and 'tis the season, Holy Night, glory to God, God's blessing, and Happy New Year. If a hug were a snowflake, I would send you a blizzard. Snowflakes are unique in their own beautiful way. Ooh, that's just a nice big one. It's got Merry Christmas and Happy Christmas. Oh, this is a great one. With love, well done, welcome baby, sincere thanks, best wishes, new home, fright night, lots of different options there. Christmas and joy is everywhere. Happiest of Thanksgiving, give thanks and happy Thanksgiving. Babies are a bit of stardust blown from the hand of God. Aw, that's really sweet. Oh my gosh, look how many are in here. I'm not gonna read every single one, but we are definitely gonna go through and see what else is in here. Have you been naughty or nice? Why am I not surprised that most of them are Christmas? So this is gonna be great for those who get ready for the holidays early. So many ones to choose from. So many cute ones. Like this one says, may your days be merry and bright, a season of cheer, and to top it all off, a wonderful new year. Okay, I'm starting to think this whole bin is just Christmas at this point. Christmas, Christmas, reindeer. Ooh, this one says something about angels. Lots of snowflake. Holiday. Ooh, those are nice big ones. Merry, jolly, and peace. Holiday, and surprise, surprise, holiday. All right, let's see what this one is. Oh, this is more sentiments. So that really must have just been the Christmas sentiments. Let's see what we have here. May forever always line your path and sunshine light your day. Happy, happy, happy birthday. More birthday. I always am on the lookout for good birthday stamps just because I make so many birthday cards. Best wishes, have a nice day, feel better real soon, friends forever. Ooh, and this one has to die with it. Just to know, I appreciate you, I miss you, I love you, thank you. Ooh, I like the big hello and hugs. Ooh, this is a really cute birthday one. And this has the dies too. There's a birthday cake and it says, make a wish, have a wonderful birthday, welcome to the club. Yikes, you're old. Time for cake. I didn't say it, the stamp said it. Oh my gosh, there's even more in the back, more birthday ones. Okay, this must be the birthday section because these are all birthday as well. Ooh, those are some pretty thank you ones on the back. Oh, I love anything with the jars. That's so cute. It's got the jars and the flowers. That's a really cute one. Birthday wishes on the front and the back. Just to know, a little party never hurt nobody. Thanks for being there to a fabulous friend. So that one's a little bit of a mix of sentiments. Ooh, these are cute because they have like the banner. Have a fabulous birthday on your wedding day. Huge congratulations. I'm sure it's hard to organize these because they're like so, you know, there's so many different ones just on one sheet, which is great if you're a card maker. This one says dream big. Hello, happy birthday. You got this. Those are really cute as well. Just for you. Wish big. Wow, I love the big sentiments. Seriously. Congratulations with sympathy. Just saying hello. My lisp makes it hard to say things sometimes. However bad a situation is, it will change and you are so loved. That's a good one. Both of those are good ones. Shine bright, captured memories this moment. Morning is the most beautiful time of the day. A bit of fragrance always clings to the hand that gives you roses. May we all walk in peace with kindness for the earth we share. Very cute. Color like a bird sings. It has like a little pen and pencil or marker. Ooh, that's a beautiful, beautiful thank you stamp. Journey of a lifetime, anniversary. Happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day. This has just a bunch of single words. Happy, laughter, smile, friendship, true. More single words. More single words. Oh, this one's really cute. There's like a girl standing in the rain with an umbrella and it says, he heals the brokenhearted. Psalm 147 verse 3. Oh, okay. So these say faith. I think these are maybe Bible verses. Maybe not all of them. Sincere condolences, with love, with heartfelt sympathy. It's a bunch of different words that you can mix and match. Oh my gosh, this one has little kitties and doggies and it says, forever in our hearts would not have been long enough. Oh, so sorry for the loss of your furry friend. Some angels have fur and pets leave paw prints on our hearts. Pet sympathy. This one is faith is simple. No, faith is simply confidence in the trustworthiness of God. Faith is stronger than fear. Hope shines through. Cherish, believe, faith, hope. God is on your side, sending prayers. Love never fails. The memory of a good deed can never be taken from the heart of one who is grateful. Ooh, okay, so here's the thank you ones. Those all say thank you. Just a bunch of words all mixed up. Thank you, thinking of you, and grateful, and congrats. Ooh, those are really cute. Those are all just large thank you ones. Smarts? Smarts? I don't know what that means. S-M-A-R-T-S. Fabulously perfect. I wonder if it means like witty, like being smart. I'm sorry, your friendship is priceless. Just because. Happy day, just because I love you. The clouds are lined with silver as often we are told this. I give you this, my heartfelt wish that this be yours, that yours be lined with gold. Very cute. Oh, this one's great. It's a girl soaking in a tub and it says, soak all your troubles away, relax, unwind, get naked, be good to yourself, relax, you are enough, you have enough, you do enough, and champagne is always a good idea. I think these are like the little cheeky stamps, some of them. New home, you feel like home, you, me, coffee. Congrats on your new place. That's a nice one. You don't see that very often. Wander, campers have some more fun. Love you to the beach and back. Oh yeah, you can never have enough nature. Life is better in flip-flops. Those are fun. We are never really happy until we try to brighten the lives of others. Bloom where you're planted, float like a butterfly, to fly, let go of anything holding you down, grow happiness, and wildflower. Those are really pretty. You mean the world to me, blessings inspire me, where would I be without you? You are amazing. Does it feel like I'm just reading you guys positive affirmations? Look at the world through the eyes of your heart. Really cute. That's a nice big stamp. And thank you, best wishes, celebrate, and you're the best. You're the best. You're all the best. That'll do it for bin number 26. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.